Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll evaluate these three given limits. Let's start by evaluating the first limit. Limit n approaches infinity, 1 minus n cube over 1 plus 2n cube. This expression is a rational expression. It is made up of a polynomial expression 1 minus n cube in the numerator and 1 plus 2n cube in the denominator. The degree of the numerator expression is 3. The degree of the denominator expression is 3. Since the degrees are the same, we should multiply the numerator expression and the denominator expression by 1 over n cube. Next, we can distribute 1 over n cube into the parentheses in the numerator and denominator. In the numerator, 1 times 1 over n cube is 1 over n cube. N cube times 1 over n cube is 1. In the denominator, 1 times 1 over n cube is 1 over n cube. 2n cube times 1 over n cube is equal to 2. Now we can use the algebraic laws of limits to apply the limit to each term in this expression. Now we can evaluate the limits. In the numerator, limit n approaches infinity for 1 over n cube is equal to 0, because as n approaches infinity, 1 over n cube approaches 0. 1 is a constant, so limit n approaches infinity for 1 is equal to 1. In the denominator, limit n approaches infinity for 1 over n cube is equal to 0. 2 is a constant, so limit n approaches infinity for 2 is equal to 2. So the value of the first limit is negative 1 over 2. Now we can evaluate the second limit. Limit n approaches infinity for 2 over 3 to the power n. The expression 2 over 3 to the power n is an exponential expression because the exponent of this expression is n, the variable. The base of this exponential expression is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is between 0 and 1. So the graph of this exponential expression is a curve that goes down from left to right along the x-axis, because the horizontal asymptote for this exponential expression is the x-axis. This is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. We have to evaluate the limit n approaches infinity. As we keep going to the right side along the curve approaches the x-axis. Therefore, the value of this limit is equal to 0, because as we keep going to the right side along the curve, the function value approaches 0. Therefore, the value of this limit is 0. Now we can evaluate the next limit. Limit n approaches infinity, 4 over 3 to the power n. The expression 4 over 3 to the power n is an exponential expression because the variable n is in the exponent. The base of this exponential expression is 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is greater than 1. So the graph of this exponential expression is a curve that goes in the upward direction from left to right. It's an increasing function. We have to evaluate the limit n approaches infinity. As we go along this curve to the right side towards positive infinity, the curve keeps going up in the upward direction. Therefore, the function value keeps on increasing as we go to the right along the curve. Therefore, the value of this exponential expression does not converge to a value. Therefore, this limit does not exist. This is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. As we keep going along the curve to the right side, the function value or the value of this exponential expression keeps on increasing. That's why this limit does not exist. This should be the final answer for this third limit. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to evaluate these types of limits. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.